friends, in this video we will see how to create bootable USB. First of all, we will open Chrome, and in that we will download Windows 10 ISO file. We will download this file from Microsoft's website, as you can see in front. And it is opened, and first we will download Creative Windows 10 installation media file. As you can see, we have downloaded media creation tool, and we can cut and paste it anywhere where we want to download Windows ISO file. I have selected this folder and paste here, and we will open it. Maybe take some time to open, and now you can see that Windows 10 setup is opened, and now just accepting next step. It and next you have to click on Create Installation Media USB. You have to click on USB drive, DVD, and ISO file. For other PCs, you can see if you want, you can change, and where you have to select ISO file and click on Next after you need. Select folder where you want to download ISO file. Now you will click on Save, and you will see file is ready to download, and after that downloading will start. It may take some time to downloading this file. It depends on your network speed. After downloading, we will finish it, and we will open Chrome again and download Rufus tool. You can see we have opened it, and we will open first link. You can see we will download first link, and we'll cut it from download folder and paste it where we downloaded Windows folder if you want. We will open it in this. We will select USB and next select ISO file where we downloaded from that folder, and we will not change anything else, and we will start. And here there is no need to tick on any point, and we will just go next. On OK. After that, click on OK, and now you can see it is being bootable. Okay, and now your bootable USB is ready. And in next video, we will discuss how to install Windows from bootable USB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.